You're moments away from transforming your Android box into an IPTV legend. Start by connecting your Android box to a stable and secure internet connection. Next, head into the Play Store and search for an IPTV app compatible with your device. Once installed, launch the app and prepare to astonish your expectations with its features. Now it's time to add your IPTV provider details to unlock thousands of channels. Using 2TV.store is a great choice for reliable, high-quality IPTV service. Enter the credentials provided by 2TV.store to activate your IPTV subscription effortlessly. Instant access to a variety of live channels, movies, and TV series awaits you. Swipe through channels and dive into an endless pool of entertainment options. Enjoy high-definition streaming with no buffering issues thanks to your amazing setup. Regularly update your IPTV app for the best experience and improved performance. Customize your channel list and discover hidden gems for a personalized touch. Stay tuned for exclusive tips and tricks to enhance your IPTV experience. Be sure to subscribe for more tech hacks and spectacular content ideas. Comment your favorite channel discovery. We love hearing from you. For the best IPTV service, remember to check out 2TV.store now.